make this tasty stuffed brinjal curry, add half cup of groundnuts, fry it well till it turns brown and the peel comes off. Add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, fry this also very well that it splatters. Add little amount of oil, 1½ spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of jeera and mix it once. Add red chilies according to the spice you require. Add few curry leaves and fry those all well. Now add this fried item into the mixer jar and add salt, fried sesame seeds and groundnuts and grind it well. After grinding it, add garlic, chopped 1 onion, 1 chopped tomato, little amount of water and grind it. Now in a bowl add salt and water. Cut the brinjal pieces as shown in the video into 4 parts and put it in the water so that the brinjal does not turn black. Brinjal with less seeds and green brinjals are more suitable for this dish. Now stuff the grinded paste into the brinjal as shown in the video carefully. Add oil in a pan. More oil for this tastes good. When it is heated, add mustard seeds. As it splatters, add cumin and add the stuffed brinjal. Close the lid and cook it well. Open the lid and turn over the pieces carefully so that the stuff does not come out. Add turmeric powder and mix it once. Now close it and cook it again. Add water to the remaining grinded paste and grind it again. Now add this watery grinded paste into the roasted brinjals. Now add water according to the gravy consistency you need. Remember that the gravy consistency reduces as we further cook. Close it and cook. After opening the lid, see that the curry is boiling well. Check the gravy consistency and see that the brinjal is cooked well. If the oil reappears on the top, it means that the curry is now ready to turn off the flame. Now the tempting aroma comes out from it. And now this curry is ready to serve very well with chapati as well as roti.